Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover text messages on Android. Now, let's say you're in the Google Messages app and you're sending a message, but you accidentally deleted it. So if you tap and hold on an app and tap that little down arrow, you might have accidentally just archived it instead of actually deleting it. So let's just make sure that you haven't archived it. That's easy to get them back. If you haven't, I'll walk you through 2 different ways that you can get it back even if you deleted it. So let's tap on the profile here at the top right. And now the nice thing is you can see under more from this app, you can see archived. So I can tap on that and there it is. And essentially I can unarchive it by pressing and holding. And you can see that little arrow up. I can just tap on that and I'll unarchive that message. It'll be right in my Google Messages. However, I presume that you've already gone through that process and you actually deleted that message. There are 2 different places that we're going to look to be able to get that message back. From here, we're going to swipe up to the app drawer and we're going to open up your settings. Now within your settings, we're going to check a couple backups to see if we can use those backups to restore those messages back to your Android phone. So to do that, we're going to scroll down until we get to the option that says Accounts and Backup. This is where your phone is being backed up. So tap on Accounts and Backup. And the first one is if you have a Samsung phone, you'll see Restore Data. Now, when we're in here, you'll be able to check your phone, in my case, Samsung Galaxy S25. And if I scroll down, you can see Messages is currently in the backup. So all I need to do is hit the Restore button at the very bottom, and it will restore all of those messages, even if I deleted them. Keep in mind, the backup needed to have to be after I received the messages, but before I deleted that message. However, let's say you don't have a Samsung phone or you're not seeing those messages in there. That's no problem because any Android phone will have a backup through Google Drive as well. So all you need to do from here is tap on Backup Data within Google Drive and then Other Device Data. Now on here, if I scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see SMS and MMS messaging. Text messages are being backed up 2 megabytes in my case. Now, the nice thing is I can always just back up or restore my phone to this backup. To be able to do that, let's go back again. And now I'm in the general settings of the Android phone. I'm going to scroll down to be able to restore. I'm going to go to my general management at the very middle here, top middle. And now in here, I'll be able to reset everything and restore to that backup just by tapping on the reset option, and then I'll scroll down until I find factory data reset. You'll be able to see it will go through the process of signing you out of all your accounts, but the nice thing is when we hit the reset button, we can choose to restore all of that data from the Google Drive backup or a Samsung backup if you wanted to as well, and then you'll be able to get back all of those text messages and recover them back to your phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.